Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. And today we have the pleasure to be bringing to market this wonderful piece of German performance engineering. So we have the BMW X3 M40i in Phytonic Blue metallic paintwork, and this is complemented perfectly with a Cognac Vernasca leather interior with contrast stitching. Now, having covered just 47,911 miles, this vehicle comes to us with great service history and has an outstanding specification, including £5,375 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now, the service history on this vehicle: in September 2018 it had its pre-delivery inspection at BMW, and then in January 2020 at 18,910 miles had its initial first service, and in December 2021 at 29,684 miles had its second service, all of which done at BMW. Now, the incredible specification list on this vehicle: there is an awful lot on the exterior but an equal amount on the interior to take you through, but I'd certainly like to list those factory options on this video. So we have, first and foremost, a panoramic glass sliding sunroof, and we'll see a lot more of that when we head inside the vehicle. This came at a £1,190 factory option. We also have auxiliary heating at £1,130, a head-up display at £895, active cruise control with stop-go function at £620, instrument panel in Sensatec, which is a £450 option, enhanced Bluetooth with wireless charging at £430, exterior door mirrors electrically folding with Anti-Dazzle at £300, BMW gesture control at £190, and a galvanic embellisher for controls at £110. And finishing off with BMW's remote services at £60. Now, of course, as we can see from the video, we have the Phytonic Blue metallic paint, the 20-inch M Sport alloy wheels. Inside the vehicle we're going to find a 2-stage electric memory seats which are heated, a powered tailgate, reversing camera with front and rear sensors for all the parking needs, the gloss black exterior kit including the wing mirrors, the weather strip right around the windows, the surround of the front grille, the lower front apron, and including the small flash on the side of the vehicle just behind the front wheel. And of course, inside the vehicle, it features you'd fully expect on a vehicle of this type, like satellite navigation, automatic headlights, rain sensitive wipers, and those auto dimming mirrors. So the condition of this vehicle, exterior and interior, is absolutely stunning. And having a look at the interior colours, the contrast in here is absolutely incredible. There we have it. So this is known as the Cognac Vernasca leather interior, and it provides a perfect contrast to that exterior colour. So some of those features we have inside the vehicle: we have the fully electric seating on the side here, and over on the door edge is where we'll find a 2-stage memory package for the driver. We also have the multifunction steering wheel, which has all of those adaptive cruise control features on there. The display in the centre for the satellite navigation, the reversing camera, all of the vehicle's multimedia and Bluetooth. A little bit lower down where we find the dual zone climate control, the heated seat operation for driver and passenger, and of course BMW's iDrive system in the centre, which is incredibly easy to use. Having a look up top, currently in a tilted position, the front section of that will slide all the way back And there is an electric blind which covers all of this as well. But certainly worth mentioning that this panoramic roof reaches right over the back of those rear seat passengers. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be able to offer you this vehicle. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do speak with us about them, as we can contact our panel of lenders and search to find you the very best deal. For any vehicle that's outside of its manufacturer's warranty, our partners at Warranty Wise are on hand to provide us with up to 3 years of market-leading aftermarket warranties. And last but not least, if you'd like to keep your vehicle looking as stunning as you see here, Autoglim and their Lifeshine product can be applied with our professional valet team, and those treatments are designed to bond with the paintwork and the exterior glass on the vehicle, and on the interior, be that leather or cloth upholstery, all of those interior upholsteries get treated as well. So I hope you find this video informative. If there are any details that we have missed, please do get in touch and we'll happily provide you with another personal video of the vehicle, or of course get the information to you over the telephone. So thank you once again, and we'll be in touch very shortly with the calculations. Bye for now.